Okay, good day, guys. So let's take a look at GBPJPY for today, which is for the 31st, last day of the month. Now, to those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. First, we need to start with this trend, and we need to know that full trend on this GBPJPY was previously dropping. It was dropping, but right now we are having a bullish move. And when I say fortunately, more bullish move is to come. The reason why I said so is that interest rates, will be increased on this our GBP this Thursday, and we all know the effect of it, especially in the long term. More bullish move will play out on this GBP, so we are going to be expecting to see more uptrend move on this GBP once an interest rate is being increased on Thursday. Maybe from Friday upward, we will start seeing GBP JPY start giving us that massive bullish move. As at now, we can see that this price is actually playing out this way. The reason is that a lot of traders are actually waiting for the news to be released. That will be a very major news that will very much affect this our currency pair on GBP. So a lot of traders are kind of like waiting for the news before either buyers coming or sellers coming. But one thing we believe is buyers will come because more bullish move will be made. But right now, we would want to see where this price will be moving for today. That is what we would want to do. But first, we will see something like this, then a drop, another movement like this. We can see that there is a multiple rejection. Then we should get this as a drop soon. We will make a new one movement upward. I'll take out this high. So that will be, seen maybe by the time this week will end. Now down to the forward time frame. To be able to predict this price for the next day, we need to actually apply this rules of trade what you see and not what you think. So now let's see what this GBP JPY is actually playing out. Well, this price is a bit confusing, but let's highlight this level here that we are getting a rejection from. You can see that there was a rejection at this level. Same thing with this level here. There is a rejection. Same thing, one rejection here, and another tap, which is a rejection. So one thing I would want us to actually watch out for, or what I would be watching out for, is this GBP to JPY actually drop to this same level, which is at least a level of 160.300. So that is the level I think we should be watching out for. So if this price can go ahead and drop to this 160.300, that would be about 75 pips. So if you can grab about 75 pips, then we can now go ahead and go bullish again. So basically, I want you guys to see it like, kind of like this range market move. You can see that price has come to the same level and then drop. So price was close to the same level. So let's see this price actually drop from this, to this. Let's see it drop to this 160.300, which will be giving us about 75 pips. Then we can go ahead and go long on this GBPJPY. So that is what I will be watching out for. Right, there will be a breakout that will take out this ice. So we will be expecting such movement on Thursday or Friday when that news will be released. So that is what I'm watching out for. So if you're interested in Patreon, getting exclusive updates from me or exclusive analysis from me, check the comments below. I'll be putting out a link to my Patreon channel. You can actually check it and get an extensive or exclusive updates. Right, so if you're interested, check it out.